How to do bicycle crunches. Essential of workout. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic way to sculpt your ABS and strengthen your core. Here's how to perform them correctly. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head, elbows out to the sides. Lift your legs and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle, looking to take your home workouts to the next level. I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee, while simultaneously straightening your right leg. Switch sides by bringing your left elbow towards your right knee, straightening your left leg. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion, keeping your core engaged throughout. Bicycle crunches not only target your rectus abdominis, but also engage your obliques, helping to define your waistline. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions to feel the burn and see results. Ready to take your workout to the next level? Subscribe for more tips and workouts to help you achieve your fitness goals.